Today, we will be exploring some answers to certain questions related to economic growth and economic development. The first question is, what is the main difference between economic growth and economic development? Economic growth means an increase in real national income or national output. Economic development means an improvement in the quality of life and living standards. For example, measures of literacy, life expectancy, and healthcare. Ceteris paribus, we would expect economic growth to enable more economic development. The second question is, are the two terms economic development and economic growth same? No. Economic growth and economic development are two different terms. The economic growth refers to quantitative increase in the economy, while as economic development refers to the quantitative as well as qualitative increase in the economy. The next question, what is the relationship between economic development and population growth? The relationship between economic growth and population growth is that if population growth and per capita GDP growth are completely independent, higher population growth rates would clearly lead to higher economic growth rates. What are the examples of economic development? It is usually measured by an increase in the gross domestic product or other measures of aggregate income. An example of economic development is when a country begins to produce more products and increase its overall wealth. Economic development takes place. What are the factors affecting economic development? Factors that influence the economic development of a country are capital formation, natural resources, marketable surplus of agriculture, conditions in foreign trade, economic system, human resources, technical know-how and general education, and political freedom. What is meant by economic growth? Economic growth is an increase in the production of economic goods and services compared from one period of time to another. Traditionally, aggregate economic growth is measured in terms of GNP or GDP, although alternative metrics are sometimes used. Why is sustainable development essential for economic growth? Sustainable development is important for economic growth because environment must be conserved while development is taking place. Secondly, resources must be used in such a way that something is conserved for the future generations. And thirdly, the standard of living of all people must be raised. What are the phases of economic development? Unlike the stages of economic growth, which were proposed in 1960 by economist W. Rostow as 5 basic stages: traditional society, preconditions for takeoff, drive to maturity, and age of high mass consumption. There exists no clear definitions for the stages of economic development.